thing I really love about mountain biking is you get to be out with your friends, enjoy nature, and enjoy the scenery.
What was the process behind this organization getting started?
Well, the way it came about was I was a guest curator at the San Francisco airport. In the international terminal, they had a collection of mountain biking, Northern California contributions to mountain biking that was in place, an installation there 5 years ago. And as when I was down there talking with them, I had mentioned that an interest of mine was to have a museum in Marin County.
Mountain biking is just a really big part of San Anselmo, Fairfax, and just all of Marin's community. And it's just a great way to get out and enjoy what you love with your friends.
The Good Earth building in downtown Fairfax came up for rent, and we thought, wow, this is just a perfect place. There had been a group forming prior to even the gifting, perhaps the gifting of the backdrops, but anyhow, when the place came up for rent and word got around, it was like, oh, this is just the perfect place where people are traveling through Fairfax, maybe on the way to Point Reyes Seashore. We're just starting, and these are the bikes that we have now. This is not what you'll always be seeing, perhaps. Some are very special bikes, and I imagine there's a nucleus of say the Mountain Bike Hall of Fame collection that you will be seeing year in, year out, perhaps.